Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard Amapiano. To begin, focus on the foundational elements. The log drum is absolutely crucial, providing that signature deep bass. You'll also need to layer various percussive sounds to build a complex, driving rhythm. Don't forget the soulful pads and catchy synth melodies that add emotional depth and character. Aim for a tempo around 115 to 120 beats per minute for that authentic feel. The log drum is the soul of hard Amapiano, so let's perfect it. Start with a pure sine wave or a low-passed square wave as your sound source. Crucially, set very short decay and release times to achieve that distinct, punchy percussive attack. Program a syncopated, often off-beat rhythm to give it that irresistible bounce. For extra power, layer a subtle sub-bass underneath to add significant weight and depth to your track. Now, let's build out those dynamic percussion layers. Introduce shakers and hi-hats with a subtle swing to really get the groove moving. Incorporate congas, bongos, and sharp rim shots to create intricate and engaging rhythmic patterns. Remember to vary the velocity and panning of your percussion hits. This adds a humanized feel and prevents your drums from sounding robotic. Always ensure these elements complement, rather than overpower, your powerful log drum. Finally, let's talk melodies and arrangement. Craft simple, catchy synth melodies that are often repetitive, creating a hypnotic effect. Use warm, evolving pads to fill out the harmonic space, adding a rich, atmospheric layer to your track. Structure your arrangement with clear sections, compelling intros, impactful drops, and well-placed breakdowns. A meticulous mix and master are essential to ensure your hard Amapiano track sounds powerful, clean, and truly impactful on any sound system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.